Hey there, parents! Could you use a little help planning activities or lessons each month? Make at-home learning fun with GIGIL STEM Kits. Each month, we explore a new theme in STEM. Every STEM kit contains all of the materials needed for 5 engaging and hands-on STEM activities, including activity guides. Head to GIGILSTEMKits.com and explore our different options and plans for our boxes. You can choose from ordering a single box or even a monthly subscription. STEM kits include grade-level appropriate activities, and you can choose between pre-K to 1st grade or 2nd to 5th grade. Our Elite collection includes STEM kits for older kids up to 8th grade. Have more than one kiddo at home? We offer a sibling discount for all STEM kits. For every subscription that's 3 months or greater, your first box ships within 3 to 5 days of your purchase. Then, each box after that ships by the 10th of every month. Connect with us on Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook for educational videos and more fun STEM activities.